Welcome back to my channel. If you are going through a breakup, this is the perfect channel for you because right here we're all about business and having a good ass time. I'm glad you guys are back. My name is David. I started this channel because I am launching a 360 video booth business and I want to take you guys on the journey. So join the journey by subscribing. Don't need to hit the like button just yet. Don't need to comment just yet because I haven't given you guys any value yet. So let's go. First scary story. What was that? Who moved the nah, just kidding. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be talking about a couple things. One, Apple TV. How to stream on your Apple TV without Wi-Fi, because you might end up being at a place at an event where the Wi-Fi is just not available, and if it is, it's probably going to be super weak and we don't want to rely on that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to stream from your phone to your monitor. Okay, so I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to also show you the TV tripod that I told you I was going to be ordering on my previous video. This TV tripod is super dope because it has wheels, it's nice and light, you can adjust the TV height, right? So that's pretty dope too. What else? The RGB lights that I previously ordered, they are on their way. I expect them to arrive tomorrow. If they do, if I have time, I promise I'm gonna put a video together and talk about the specific lights that I ordered. These lights come with their own tripod, so I'm hoping that the tripod is somewhat stable. We're gonna check that out together tomorrow, guys. That's if they come in tomorrow. And other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. We're already in the video. Let's talk about the Apple TV. Let me turn this phone around here. Let me turn on the lights. Way too romantic in here. Look at, oh, you see that in the background? Ooh. Let me turn on the light real quick. You know what? Let's not turn on the light. I like this lighting. Let's move this way and put this right here. Okay, guys. So, oh, by the way, ever since I got on YouTube, I got like 4 subscribers. Massive money is coming in, guys. Massive amount of money is coming in. I got money. I bought a house. You guys can see back there. I got a new house. But that's not what we're gonna be talking about today. Let's go ahead and get this figured out. So when you guys are on your menu here, and your Apple TV is already connected, you want to go to. I just want to show you that if I go to settings and I go to network, and we go up to Wi-Fi, you guys can't see from down there. Let me give you a little booster here. As you guys can see, it says Wi-Fi not connected, but I'm still retrospected in the hood, cuz. All right, so it's not connected, but that's okay. We don't need it to be connected. All we need is our iPhone that we're going to be using for the photo booth or video booth, and all you have to do now is this. Let me go ahead and switch up. You're gonna go swipe up, and then there's a mirror icon right here, and I'm gonna select entertainment room, which is what I named the monitor. Oh, you guys see that in the background? Sweet. So now when I go to record a 360 video booth, slow-mo, or just a regular video, look at that. You see what I mean? How simple and cool is that? I don't need Wi-Fi. I don't need Wi-Fi in my life. So yeah, no, I need Wi-Fi. So that's how you would hook up your phone if you're in a position or in an event where there's absolutely no Wi-Fi or their Wi-Fi is currently down. The tripod. This is a dope ass tripod. I'll tell you why. You can adjust this TV. Well, this is a monitor. It's 29 inches. And this can hold up to like a 50 something inch TV. You can move it up or down or angle it. And if you back up a little bit, it has an extra shelf there. That shelf, you can use it to put props, or if it's like the birthday girl, the birthday boy, the wedding, you can put like some type of memento there. And there's the cables. You won't see them in the back. Now that I bring that up, there's actually something I want to talk about. When I was little, just kidding. By the way, guys, my name is David. I started this YouTube channel because I thought it would be super exciting to just share the whole journey of launching a 360 video booth and going through all the ups and downs. Right now, one of the huge downs that I'm going through is that my huge 360 video booth is not fitting in my damn Camry. That kind of sucks, but I'm gonna keep you guys in the loop. We're gonna get over this challenge together. Someone in the comments told me, well, why don't you get like a tow hitch or like a cargo trailer? And I thought, that's exactly what I was thinking. But after doing some research, it probably wouldn't work out because of all the vibration. And I don't want the photo booth and to get damaged from all the constant vibration from being on the little trailer. Plus, it'll be exposed to the outdoor weather. Don't want that either. These things are way too expensive to be doing that stuff. Thank you for all the people that subscribed. I got like 4 or 5 subscribers now. That's pretty dope. See you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.